everything. Now here that ink before the ink could get dry, on 30th of August 2025, my lord, they issued a program for recruitment of this vocational trainer through the agencies. And program is 31st August is the advertisement, 10th September is the interview.
When we come to last, the penultimate paragraph.
Yes, your lordship. All vocational trainers shall be fluent.
No, penultimate, the last but one paragraph. Taking into consideration above said facts and the judgment referred to above, existing VTs working in different education institutions may be allowed to continue in their respective schools, irrespective of the change of VTs. Yes, they all will be continued.
Hello?
You will be continued.
Your lordship, that is my lord's order.
No, it is there, this one, Secretary's order itself.
After your
That is 2025.
After your
1980, your lordship. 1980, my representation.
Huh?
My representation. My prayer.
Your prayer.
Yes, your lordship.
To that, what is the response?
Response is next page, Annexure 7.
You are right.
Your lordship's order is dated 18/8. We served the copy to the authorities concerned on 19/8. Now they come up with on 30th of August 2025 the program regarding recruitment of race candidates. Engage before they could dispose of my representation and consider my case. The program, your lordship, may look at 10th September is the date of interview and document verification. Tomorrow.
Yes, brother. Where is the consideration of their case?
I'll take instruction. I have no.
But don't process this. Issue emergent notice.
They will participate.
Flooded EGA on request accepts notice for all respondents. Which respondent?
The AGAPS.
8H1 and 2. Others are private.
All are yours. Private.
Issue emergent notice to arrest, returnable within 3 weeks. First stop. Next paragraph. IA is filed for interim.
Yes, your lordship. Stay operation of Annexure 7.
An application supported by an affidavit is moved in IA number
IN number, my lord. Sorry.
14959.
14910.
910.
14910.
14910 of 2025. Seeking reprieve against the impugned order dated
30th August.
30th August 25 at Annexure 7. The first, learned senior advocate appearing for the petitioners draws attention of the court to the earlier order of this court in WP number
22418.
P number 22418 of 2025, disposed of on 18/8/2025, wherein consideration of petitioner's representation in the light of WP 18481 of 2024 between Deepti Pandey versus Union of India, disposed of on 22/8/2024. Person. A prima facie case is made out for granting provisional protection. Since the very breadwinning of the petitioners is at stake. First, next paragraph. In the above circumstance, the application having been favored, the impugned order dated 30/8/2025 at Annexure
7, sir.
7 is stayed, coupled with a direction to continue the petitioners in the job till next date of hearing with same terms and conditions as we are obtaining hitherto.
May I pray for a copy of the rules?
It will be prepared that and we're posted before lunch. All right.
Not before that, Your Lordship, in course of the day is good enough. Obligement.
Item 27.